Hospitality starts with people, and what's the better way to connect than through sports? And here in Glion, this is how we do it.
We train hard and we play harder. Join the squad.
Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you always have space in the Glion team. Whether you're a bowler or a beginner, we've got space for you on the court.
Are you feeling too much stress? Do you need to reset your mind and stretch your body? We have the solution for you. Our workshops are the ideal moment for you to relax and breathe.
Welcome Let's Go Fitness. With full range of equipment from the weights to the cardio machines, no matter your level, there's something for everyone.
And that's a wrap for our committee, and we're here to get you into the game.
Welcome to Glion Sports!
Glion!